Hey there guys, how you doing? I hope I find you all well. This is Konam from Konam Trading. In today's video, I'll be going through the bearish breaker. So I hope you have your notebook, notepad, and a pen so that you'll be taking note, and you also have your screens ready so that you'll be back testing and looking for these setups that I'll be giving to you in today's video. Guys, before we go anyway, I hope you watched yesterday's video on the bullish breaker. Please, if you had not, I have linked it in the top left, top right corner. You can click on it and watch it. I bet you learn from it. Guys, in today's video, I'll be talking on the bearish breaker. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So as you can see on my screen, what I have here is my charts opened up, and it is on this software that I use for backtesting, and this is the backtesting software that I use. If you also want, you can hit me up, get connected with me on my Telegram. Guys, so let's get started. As you can see on my screen, uh i have I have some notes that I wrote here. So the bearish breaker, these are the conditions for the bearish breaker to be in place, or to be said that it has been formed and it has been made. We need to have this that I have written here. So for a bearish breaker to actually be in place, the first thing we need a swing high. So I'm going to be marking it as I'm going to be pointing at it. We need a swing high. So let me first put in the swing high using this line right here. Using this line right here. Let's use it like this. So just copy, then you paste. You just need to do it the same way that I'm doing right here. Don't change a thing. So as you can see, I have my, now let me mark it. I'm going to be marking it as so this is the swing high that I'm referring to. The first the first thing, you're going to need a swing high that has been formed, and you're going to need a down close candle prior to the up move. This is the up move right here. This is the up move right here. Let me scribble on it. This is the up move that we, so this is the down candle, the one, this one, down close candle. I mean, down close is simply a bearish candlestick. So the down close, right here, the down close right here, the bearish candle prior to this up move right here. This one, prior to this up move that's happening right here, prior to this up move here. So then having the previous high now being raided, as you can see, this up move here raided through this swing high here, this previous high. It got raided, it got broken, in other terms. So this the swing high that has been formed, and the down close candle prior to the up move right here, and having the swing high here, having this swing high raided by the up move, then price proceed to break through, to break without resistance. As you can see what's happening right here, the price broke through the, supposedly to the breaker to be so before it becomes a breaker. In other terms, we could say that we could be anticipating it, we could be seeing it as a bullish order block, but then once it gets broken and price proceeds through it without any resistance, any form of resistance, we clearly can say that this is a bearish, this is a breaker now. So this is not the part where it becomes a bearish breaker. It becomes it is just a bearish breaker in formation. I hope you get what I mean, because it has met all our rules. So what you're anticipating, we're anticipating for price to move a bit to the downside and come to our breaker, and we enter our trades. We'll be having our limit orders in this place, tagged up in this place, however we want it, and depending on our risk reward ratio, and having our stop loss over here, and having our stop loss over there, then our trades, our sell limits will be in place. Sell limits will be in place, waiting to get filled or triggered by the price. As price will get to the breaker. So our take profit will be right below. We'll be using the lows however you want, which you choose which low you see at deserving deserving the price to get to. So as of me, I'm going to be choosing this low that I marked right there. My take profit, I'm going to be putting it over here on the previous low. So I'm anticipating price to get up to this point. Yeah. So let's mark it out and paste it like this. So as I said, so I think the notes now, if you want them back, you could just rewind the video and watch them, take them down. So now we have all our rules in place. So what you want, we just want our price to, so I'm going to have my okay, let me change the color for here for this breaker. I usually like using pink. You can choose whichever color works for you and works how you want it. So my limit orders will be right in this place. My take profit will be here to this area. You can set the take profit up to the and up to an area where you want it to, and my stop loss will be right here. My stop loss will be right there. So now let's see how price plays along. As you can see, price is moving vigorously. So at this point, we will now be waiting for our trades to get triggered. We'll be waiting for our trades to get triggered, and right about now we'll be smiling, waiting for our orders filled. Now, as you can see, now the trades would have been filled at this point. So I think it's rightful for me to enter this trade on my simulator. This is actually a simulator, guys, where you place trades in simulation. So that's, as you can see, you can measure risk reward. I can see that I'll be winning 338 pips as to 64 pips, and that's $6 stop loss, and that's $33 take profit. So the risk reward ratio is ridiculous on this trade right here. That's 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 5.5. 1 is to 5.5. You can imagine the risk reward is powerful. So the trade is in play now. The trade is in play. The trade is intimidating. Is acting intimidatively, like it's going to approach, like it's approaching our stop loss, and uh, we just wait and be patient, guys. Trading is a game of patience. Now we are in profit. Now we are in profit. Let me show you. As we are in profit, as you can see, we're in profit. I hope you can see right here. The trade is in profit. This is a simulator, guys. This is not real time. The charts are real, but then this is a simulator way. It allows me to place trades, sort of like it's a game. It allows me to play this game and actually take trades on it, and using past price. As you can see, my balance is $100. Then my equity is now on 180, meaning that so far I have gained 80 pips in this move that's playing, because the lot size is 0.01. So 0.01 on 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 uh, on a single trade. So when profit, you can see how the price is moving, how the price is moving, how the price is moving. Price has dropped 20, 12 pips, 20 pips, 23, 13, 13 pips. Sorry, 100 pips now. It's in 100 pips, 120 pips, back to 110 and 140 pips, 130 pips. So you can play this game and wait and see. As you can see, it's working. Okay, let me change the color of. Let me make the candles show their real color. I can see they're indicating blue. where we want them to indicate their actual color like that. So we are up 170 pips on our trade. So you can see the power of these breakers, guys. This is really powerful. This is really powerful, and this is happening in your eyes. This is real-time price, Euro USD. You can flash back to 20 June. You can see that it is something that actually happened. And we are down, we are up 150 pips, and our take profit, we're waiting for our take profit to be hit at at uh 338 pips. It's a 338 pips trade, so you best believe that this is actually a good trade. Now we are down almost 200 pips. We are up 190 pips, almost 200 pips, 200 pips, 210 pips. Price is moving beautiful and drastically, violently. So you can see the power of the breakers, guys. um I'm going to be showing you like uh sort of like in past price, maybe on a different pair, other setups on this bearish breaker right here. So if you didn't watch the bullish breaker video, please kindly click the top right corner so that you can watch. Let me increase the speed so that, as you can see, our take profit is being approached. So this is now getting serious. You're now up 260 pips. You're now up 260 pips. You're now up 260 pips. I'm waiting for my, okay, my window right here. So price is moving to the upside. Get to the downside, please. Let me. Oh, our take profit has been hit, as you can see. Our take profit has been hit. Our take profit has been hit, and as you can see right here, we made $33, and that's $33. That's 30 pips. Is it? Yeah, I'm sorry, that's 338 pips. That's 338 pips, guys. So that's really serious. This is on a 1 hour time frame, by the way. So this strategy is really powerful. The breaker strategy is really powerful. The rules apply all the time. The same rules apply. Same rules that I just gave to you and taught you apply all the time. So you don't have to worry about anything. You better trust me on that one. So let me now show you other charts. This is GU. So you can see uh, the same rules apply. The swing high has been formed. Let me mark the swing high. I hope you're now saying them with me. I hope you're now saying them with me right now. The swing high has been formed. The breaker, the down close candle, the prior to the up move, then price breaks through, as you can see, without resistance. As you can see with this big bullish candle that moves in violently, and our limit orders will be right here at our entry. The That's the entry, and and our our take profit will be right here, right here at the bullish order block, at the previous low, where we can place our bullish order block. Let me change the color to pink. So you see that the same things apply, guys. The stop loss will be right here. So guys, the risk reward, as you now know by now from following my videos that I make, I always give to you setups that gives beautiful risk reward. 1:500, 1:5, 1:8 risk reward ratios, and that's really tremendous for you. Strategies that gets you over 800 pips, 200. As you can see, the previous one gave us 300 pips. This one is giving you 90 pips, almost 100. This one I this one gives you 170. This one gives you 170. So the same rules apply. The swing high formed, down close candle, as you can see. The down close, we choose the down close, the big one right here. The big one right there. So guys, I hope you're understanding. If you have any question, drop your questions in the communicate in the question in the comment section. I'm really grateful for all those who are bringing in questions and asking me and asking for different or for ask and asking for help on different topics. I'm going to be posting videos on each and every topic that you guys mentioned to me. Someone mentioned that I should start or I should talk about the order blocks and the source from scratch, and I'm going to making that I'm in the process of making that video. So stay tuned. Click the press the subscribe button, press the like button, click on the notification bar so that you get informed each time I post a video, and you are always on point and informed all the time. So the same rules, previous swing high, down close prior to the up move. This, guys, this is powerful, guys. See, look at this break here, without resistance, breakthrough without resistance. This type of trades are the ones that you place uh very. You're not friendly with the broker on these trades. You are not friendly. You don't have to be friends with the broker on these trades. Trust me, because guys, I'm not even going to draw it because it's really big. So this one, same thing, apply. Swing high, the swing high, the swing high, down close candle prior to the up move, breaking through without resistance, then price coming back at it, and this trade would have gotten you 325 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, this strategy ranges from uh plays with 300, plays with over plus 300 pips per trade in most of the trades. Swing high being formed, swing high being formed, down close candle prior to the up move, then breaking through without resistance. And you can see, guys, the type of candlestick patterns that confirms that you should load on this stake trades. I mean, like staking them, plenty of trades, so that you really benefit and profit from this. So guys, you'd have made about 100 pips. I give you valuable information that most mentors can never ever provide. They will be selling this type of information if they had it, but they don't have it. So make sure that you use it wisely. And I'm not looking for you to pay me once you get this knowledge, but once you use this in the market and you profit from it, please just do the best favor that you could ever do. Look for those in need, the orphanages, and any of those. Then help out, give back to the society, because you also have received from the society for free. So definitely make sure that you give back the same way that I'm giving back to you as well. This knowledge has been with me for a while, for a long while, and I have been really making money from it. And uh, the numbers don't lie. I could easily show you my charts, but it's better I show you how to catch a fish than show you the fish that I've caught. I hope you got that one. So guys, please, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button. Make sure that you are make sure that you are always notified. You click the notification button, that each time I post a video you get notified and watch and learn and get benefit. If you have any questions, leave the questions in the description box in the comment section, and I will be sure to help you out. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all for the support, and let's get this. First you learn, then you earn.